Hello everyone, I am Dipali Wadkar, working as an assistant professor in electronics department, WIT. At the end of this video lecture, student will be able to familiar with Arduino environment and its applications. Arduino, it is open source platform which is used for building electronics projects. It consists both physical programmable circuit board and a piece of software that is IDE, which is nothing but integrated development environment, which is used to write and upload code on the programmable circuit board. It contains the microcontroller which is to be programmed to sense object from physical world. By responding to these sensors and inputs, it interacts with large array of output transducers like actuators, motors, buzzers, LEDs, like that. There are several types of Arduino boards like Arduino Uno, Arduino Nano, Arduino Mega. These are differs from their capability. So with difference processor and based applications, these Arduino boards are differentiated. These Arduino board looks little bit different from each other, but the majority of components are of these Arduino boards are same. So one of the popular Arduino board is Arduino Uno. So let us see the all basic components of this board. So this pin number 1 which is used to reset this board, this will restart any code that is loaded to the Arduino board. Then this pin number 2, it is AREF, which is the analog reference pin, and it is used to set external reference voltage. The pin number 3 and pin number 14, here it is used for as a ground pin. Then this is the fourth section, pin number 0 to pin number 13. These pins are used to take digital input and to transfer the digital output to the IC, to the microcontroller. Then fifth section, these are the PWM pins. So here, if you observe here, some of the pins here, that is the pin number 3, pin number 5, pin number 6, pin number 9, pin number 10, pin number 11, these pins are indicated by this symbol. So these pins are actually digital pins, but sometimes these pins are used for PWM pins, as a PWM pins. So PWM, it is used to control the amount of power delivered to the load. These pins being able to simulate analog output. USB connection, Arduino is directly connected to the computer to upload the code through this USB connection, USB port. So it is also used for powering the Arduino and uploading the sketch. There are two LEDs, TX and RX. So these LEDs on, off. So blinking this LED means there is a transmitting and receiving data from this board. Then this main IC is the brain of this microcontroller, where actually programs are stored. These pins are actually Mega Lines ICs from Atmel company. Then power LED indicator. So here when power LED indicator, this LED lights up anytime the board is plugged in a power source. Voltage regulator, this controls the amount of voltage going into the Arduino board. Then this DC power barrel jack, this is used for powering Arduino with power supply. Then there are two pins, 3.3 volt pin and 5 volt pin. It supplies 3.3 volt and 5 volt. Then again pin number 14 is a ground pin. Then A0 to A5, these 6 pins used to read analog from analog sensors. It converts this signal into the digital and then it is transmitted towards the microcontroller. Okay, now the digital pins and analog pins, these two pins are there. So digital data, it is in the form of, as we know that digital data is in the form of two levels, 0 volt and 5 volt. Analog, it is the continuously changing with respect to time. So Arduino translates an analog input voltage into number that is range from 0 to 1023, and digital voltage translated into number that ranges from 0 to 255. Arduino is too pretty, then also it cannot do all works in its own. Okay, so it requires some extended devices. So out of that, two handy tools used for the Arduino. One is a sensor and another is a shields. So these are the different analog and digital sensors are there, which are connected to Arduino. It sends the physical world object and convert that data into the electrical signal. Pause the video for a while and think that what is the sensor. Okay, sensor, it is the device which convert the physical quantity into electrical signal. Okay, for example, thermocouple, it converts the temperature into electrical signal. So it is one of the extended devices. Then the actuator, it changes the physical state according to the order of the microcontroller, such as LED, motor, switch. Actuators converts electrical signal into the mechanical energy or radiant energy like light. Then another one device is there which is called as a breadboard. Okay, so with the help of this device you can prototype your project without permanently soldering this circuit. Okay, so with the help of these wires, these are nothing but jumping wires. So with the help of these wires, this Arduino board can be interfaced with the breadboard. Inside this tiny plastic housing, there are metal clips which are connected to each other with the help of conducting material. So another one handy tool which is used to increase the capability of Arduino board, that is nothing but Arduino shields. So these Arduino shields are pre-built circuit board which are fitted on the top of this Arduino board. So these are the basically used to increase the capability of Arduino boards and to controlling the motors, to connecting to the internet, cellular device, or connecting to the LCD. So these are the some of the examples of these shields. Then applications of Arduino Uno. There are many applications of Arduino Uno. So security and defense, embedded system, digital electronics and robotics, weighing machines, then parking counter, medical instrument, traffic light down timer, then home automation, industrial automation, emergency light for railway. These are some references. Thank you.